Hello, we're going to learn how to integrate with e to the x, and we have an example using a u substitution. So let's get started. Since the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, the integral of e to the x is e to the x. So that one's kind of easy to remember. But let's look at what happens if we try to integrate e to the negative x. That's going to be a little different. So we're going to need a u substitution for this. And we're going to let u equal negative x. So that's our inside function. If you want to think back to the words we used with the chain rule and derivatives, our inside function is negative x. The derivative of negative x is negative 1. And we're rewriting that as du equals negative 1 dx. And now we're going to rewrite our integral and now write it in terms of u. So we have negative 1 times the integral of e to the u times du. We have that negative 1 out in front because we needed a negative 1 for the du, and we didn't have it. So we multiplied by negative 1 times negative 1 because that doesn't change anything. And now we can integrate that since the integral of e to the u is e to the u plus c. That's what it looks like. And we put the x's back in and we're done. And that's it. Thanks.